Bekzad Almazalou of Kyrgyzstan.
From Mongolia, Mukherdinay Batuyan. Vatandaşlar, Gökdere Çambalvan, Mukherdinay Batuyan, Mongolia.
Representing Mongolia is Mukherdinay Baktuyug in the blue singlets. Bekzad Almazalou is in the red. Almazalou having knocked out the #1 seed Wanhao Zhou of China in the quarterfinals. This is what it all comes down to. George Ram is alongside me again, European and Commonwealth Games medalist. Try telling athletes at this stage to try and just treat it like any other encounter. It is a bit different, George, but I suppose the key to success here is if you can treat it like any other encounter, with something else on top.
Exactly, it doesn't get much bigger than this. This is the creme de la creme of wrestling tournaments. You win this match, you are booked your country's spot in the Olympic Games. Some of these guys will go themselves to the Games. There won't be wrestlers off in their home nations. So to try and stay calm and collective in these moments is so difficult, but these guys with a world of experience, they've been in high pressure matches like this, so they know what to do.
Fiercely competitive men's freestyle number of entrants. It'll be the toughest day of the three at this qualifier. And we're seeing that already in this first minute. These two meeting each other head on, nullifying their efforts so far. Mukherdinay, the world under-23 bronze medalist last year, just 22 years of age, had a good day as well to get to this point. Impressive victories against Mohammad Javan of the Islamic Republic of Iran.
Yeah, really impressive a performance by him. Blew him away, blew him completely out of the water. So incredibly fast, incredibly explosive. Tough ask for Almazalou, but he's got the minerals to get the job done. He is on the shot clock now, so if he does not score in these next 20 seconds, a point will go to Baktuyug.
It is actually a face-off between both the two bronze medalists at the World Under-23s last year. So they're both coming through that stage in their development. Baktuyug with the first point then from the passivity.
Just about to say, Almazalou had that great right hand underhook, but you've got to be very wary not to apply too much pressure into your opponent towards the edge, because he will pop under like he did try there. Great work with that left hand underhook from Almazalou. Needs to keep that going.
The wrestler in red, Almazalou of Kyrgyzstan, with a 1-point advantage. But both wrestlers testing each other out. No chinks found in the armor so far. So often it's the second period that sets things alight, George, and this feels like that's where this one might be going.
Yeah, Almazalou needs to be a little bit more active in the beginning of the second round, get his opponent on the shot clock, try and get a point back in it at the 1-1, then it'll get very interesting. Almazalou does a great job with that left hand underhook, and then when Baktuyug kind of works his way back inside, Al-Mazalou's looking for that elbow pass, and it is there. If he does commit to it and he goes elbow pass, right hand leg attack, in my opinion, I think he can get it. So
first ticket to Paris will be booked here before these 3 minutes are out.
Again with that elbow pass, almost just has to really commit himself to it. He's only doing it at the half at the moment, and it's almost there. So if he does go 100% with it, he will get the shot in. Doesn't need to rush now, Al-Mazalou.
Back to you on the clock. It's been hard-earned, that passivity. Keeps on coming, Al-Mazalou, dominating the centre. One of these left-hand underhooks is surely going to set him up for scoring some points. Maybe his legs tire. Let's get the point on the board to begin with.
Yeah, and even though there's not a lot of points on the board, these guys are working so hard. Great shot there from Al-Mazalou. Needs to be careful not to give any points away.
Instead, it's back to Yug returning for the two. Slipping the binds of Al-Mazalou. He looks so well set up there, George.
Fantastic shot, got all the way in, but almost surprised himself a little there. Needed to, see, he stayed on his knees, needed to get onto his feet.
No score. 1 minute to go.
Al-Mazalou working hard to try and go behind for that 2 points. Almost there. Needs to try and get out of this underhook, overhook position.
Moncardine back to Yug, fighting so hard to stay in bounds. Doesn't give the step out point away.
Really needs to try and get his head out here. If he wants to try and score.
No voices in this arena are silent at this stage.
Moving around a little bit slowly, gets the two. Needs to work now, he can't afford to stop. He needs to try and work so the referee will keep him busy on the ground. Try and go for that gut wrench.
He can let the seconds tick out. Bekzad Al-Mazalou on criteria.